Right now though, what we're going to do is focus on Crossroads, just because we've had a little swan neck. You're a lot more confident with your MSPSL routine, basic roundabouts. Yeah? We're moving on now to bigger and better things, such as possibly dual carriageway, city, town centre roundabout. So we just want to make sure we've got a full understanding. And Crossroads can be difficult for students because 1 second there's a car there, so they can't turn right, and then the next second you'll take them and there won't be a car there, and they'll freeze up because there's not actually a car there and they're expecting to wait in the middle. So it's good to practice those a few times to make sure you've seen every scenario possible or close to. You've been really good at driving for a while now, really taken off this week, do you think? Yeah. But what we have established, and I find this with every student has their own quirks, sometimes they're very similar, and so what I've had to learn to do is stop helping at all. So it's obviously working anyway. All right, you ready? Let's go. That's it.
Indicate?
Yeah. Did you need to stare in your mirror that long?
No.
No, you didn't, did you?
Just
So you're looking in your mirror, where weren't you looking? At the road, yeah. Good. Talk to me what you're going to do when these lights go green.
Edge forward.
Where to?
The middle.
The middle, which is?
In front of the thing.
Pick a car.
Where the red van is.
The red van?
The red was.
Sorry, so you've got two cars there. Which car are you going to aim for?
The red one.
No.
Black one.
Black one, yeah, because the red one's coming straight at us, straight down here, and the Range Rover wants to turn that way, so they're both going to stop in the middle.
So
Put your clutch down, because you're going downhill. Get your brake on gently. More braking, and stop at the turning point.
which is here.
Okay. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Let's go then. What are you waiting for? Should we carry on you telling me what your plan is, and if it's not quite adding up or you need a little bit of help,
Yeah.
does that sound okay? Sound good? So where that van's just pulled out, we're going to turn left there, okay?
Changing stuff.
At some point, yeah. Why did I say clutch down there?
Because I had to stop.
Why did you have to stop?
Because there was a car coming, and it's a giveaway.
It's a giveaway. Could you see?
No.
No. Were you going to be able to see it going at 11 miles an hour? No, you weren't going to have time, were you? So that's why you had to put the clutch down,
Yeah.
roll into first, slow down a bit more. Yeah? If it was clear, would you have needed to stop if it was clear? No, you just need to be going slow enough.
Yeah, like a joke that I can say, and then if I can't.
That's it. Perfect. You looking ahead?
Yes.
Good. Just wondering why you
Is
changed.
this is the hill, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right.
The sign, the mini roundabout sign. Yeah, you see that blue sign? Okay, so we're turning left at the mini roundabout. There is a signal first. Don't worry about it, it's just invisible, it's there. Can you carry on? Go on then. If you look at the end of the road, you can still see the white van in your peripheral vision.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
But if you stare at the white van, you're not going to be able to see any further.
Okay, so just literally just look ahead.
Literally look at the end of the road. That's it. You shouldn't be staring at any one thing. Your peripheral vision is what actually it does the seeing, yeah?
Yeah.
It's going to see the red lights, the indicators.
Yeah.
We're turning the people crossing the road. We're turning right at the crossroads. But you need to focus on hugging that line first of all, yeah? Because there's people wanting to come down the side and they can't because you're hovering over two lanes. Okay, so which car are you going for?
One straight ahead.
Go on then.
So clutch down.
Go on, carry on. Yeah. See, there's just. Is it clear?
Yes.
Go on then. That was different, Grace. That was interesting. If a car's coming down here, how are they going to know if they can go or not? They're not going to know. Don't understand what. So this bump, yeah, come over my way.
So you got to try and get it in the middle.
Yeah, that's it. Perfect. Looking, is it safe to go? Okay. Look right, Grace. Is there anything coming?
No.
No, okay, carry on. Okay, we're turning right at the Crossroads, okay? So which lane are you likely to be in?
Right.
Okay, good. Which lane? You've got 3 lanes, pick one.
Middle.
Thank you. Okay, colour of the lights? Let's go then. The van's already halfway across and you're just going over the line.
Get it. Like I just with the clutch thing.
Is it time to go?
Yes.
You don't get the clutch thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or is it just because of when I'm on a hill that I just leave my clutch down or something?
Yeah, sorry, it was only when you go downhill.
Okay.
Yeah?
So I can just start going slowly.
Yeah, you should be, yeah. But if you're already on a hill, if you're on a hill and you're going downhill,
Then you don't need to because you sort of mentioned about it already.
well, if you do that, well, you're telling the car to go forward, aren't you?
Yeah.
And then what's gravity also telling the car to do?
Go forward.
Go forward.
Yeah, sure.
Does that make sense? And that's when you're going to start pulling. Yeah? So instead, you let the gravity do the work, leave the clutch down, and then, does that make sense? Is that why you were struggling to come off there?
Yeah.
Okay, I apologise. Definitely don't run the bunch of children over.
Left again.
Yep.
Going to go. Sorry.
Yeah.
I can go.
Green arrow, go. Go, turn, 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 turn. Good, good. Good, good, good. Okay, so that was a new situation. There you go, that's brilliant. Right, so where do you need to pay attention to? There's 2 things you need to pay attention to there.
I was looking at the car though.
Which was good, and you were trying to figure out what he's doing, which was the right thing to do. But then, the lights changed. First exit. If it's green, then you can go with caution. So they can still be going straight on,
Yeah.
but you can go when it's clear.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Sure? Don't just say yes if it
Yeah,
doesn't.
if it's green, I have to go with caution.
Yeah. So basically they'll still be moving.
Am I turning right?
Yeah, turn it right.
These bumps.
Go on then. I was just keeping an eye on the cyclist, yeah, because you were taking your time. There's a cyclist coming up, a kid as well. Didn't fancy that today. Not on a Thursday.
Approach it slowly. I can get out his car. Is that okay?
Absolutely fine. You don't need to do a 90-degree turn, by the way. There's no lines in the middle to follow, is there?
No.
So you can just go 45 degrees straight across.
45.
Yeah, you can turn a bit more basically. Carry on down there. I'm just saying your turning point, you don't have to leave it too late.
Okay.
Left signal. Good. That's all I'm trying to get across to you. Yeah?
Yes. So I don't need to like just go right in front of it.
No.
I can do anything.
Yeah, if you're waiting, if you're gonna have to stop, then I would go, as you say, as you did there. Yeah? Wait right at the turning point. But if like in that situation you're not gonna have to stop, you can turn a little bit earlier. As long as you're not invading into the 2 lanes of the cars waiting.
Go around it.
You'll have to make that decision, Grace.
The car.
So see the fence ahead? That's the road falling around to the right. So you're going to want to get down to about 11 miles an hour off this car. So you're fine in second, but basically stick to the outside line and do it slowly. Because the car could be coming around this way. Seems okay to me? Yeah?
Yeah.
Got to think if that car was meeting us there, would we be? Who's right away? Whose priority is this? Go on then. Yeah? You're just slowing them down even more by slowing down. Keep looking. What was on that corner there? What was on the corner? There's a building on the corner, isn't there?
Yes, I can't see.
So you can't see. So you need to edge out more and more until you can see.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Because a car coming up there gives priority to their right.
Yeah.
So are they looking at you at all?
No.
No. They could be bombing up there and they can see. So what sort of speed would they be doing?
Fast.
Yeah, faster than you.
Yeah.
What's coming up? Yeah, good, well done. That was good. As you saw, it's quite a fast junction, that one, isn't it?
Yeah.
And you've got to make sure, and you did the right thing making sure it was clear, but then once it's clear, what do you need to do?
Speed up.
You need to commit.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's nothing there. If there's nothing there, commit. It's almost like you're waiting for a car to come. Like, please turn up and I'll just wait here even longer. Yeah? And then, yeah, once you commit. As in, get up to speed of what the road is.
Yeah.
Get your bike. Here we go, keep an eye. Yep. Okay. So you're gonna need to look out for a blocker like that. That was a blocker. You ready? He's indicating. Start moving forward a bit, Grace. Okay.
That's too high. Are you on pedals?
No. And let's go. Gas. Okay, do you understand that? The blocker or not?
No. Block.
You said you wanted to go to McDonald's.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I don't understand why. Why did you do that? How many times have you been to that McDonald's?
Don't know.
Just go straight across there, boy. Okay. Okay, so we're going to turn left, okay. Did you want to park up and walk in, or did you want to go through the drive-thru? Do you want to go through the drive-thru so you can have a go at it? You might as well, hadn't you? That's it. And gentle, because what's in McDonald's? Cars and people. So you're going to have to do a bit of clutch control. Go into the right one. That's it. Get in that right one.
So what am I doing?
You need to stop at the talkie thing, don't you? Well, you better figure it out quick. Okay, so yeah, stay to that outside line. Clutch down for me. Stay right to the outside line. That's it. Okay, it's really important that you go further out here. If you cut the corner, you see that post there? You'll notice it's missing a lot of paint.
Yes.
Okay, so we carry on. We need to be out more and then round,
Okay.
not diagonal. Does that make sense?
Out and around.
Out. So head out there.
Yeah.
Gentle, really slow as you can get the car slower. Like the driveway. That's it.
Like that.
Yeah, that's good. And then lots of turning, clutch down, slowing. That's it. Keep going. Gentle, stop.
Okay.
When there's someone walking across the car park, what do you normally do?
Stop.
Crikey.
Crikey.
Let's turn.
So what am I doing?
Turn right. Yeah, go on. Okay. I'll help you, don't worry. Well, don't roll then.
Do you want some more chips?
Pardon?
Do you want some more chips?
I'm alright, mate, don't worry. So what should we do here? Where are they going? They're going that way, that's fine. So let's pop a left signal here. Now I want you to go this way.
Okay.
And
Are you
then,
doing it?
no, I just want you to turn, that's it. Turn away now, turn away. We're reversing into this space. That's it, keep going. That's it, keep going.
Now